The most common mistake even experienced Python devs make is assuming sorted returns the sorted list, but when you use reverse equals true, it silently returns none. Assigns a list containing the integers 3, 1, 4, 1, and 5 to the variable data for use in subsequent operations. Calls the built-in sorted function on the data variable without any keyword arguments to produce a new list sorted in ascending order and immediately outputs it to standard output. Calls the built-in sorted function on the data variable with reverse set to true to produce a new list sorted in descending order and stores it in the variable result for later reuse. Outputs to standard output the value stored in the result variable, which holds the descending order sort of data computed on the prior line. Remember, sorted always returns a new list, never none. So if you see none, check your code for accidental assignment or print of the wrong variable. Subscribe for daily coding videos.